Hi, Assalamualaikum and Salam Sejahtera. Today, our group will present our project. The title of our project is a universal knife holder. So, this is our team members. Leader is Ajar SOFEA ANISSA binti Ajar MOHAMMAD RIZAL PAHLEPI. The duty is a flash print analyzed for 3D printing our book. NOOR ADILAH binti SAFTU, the duty is to make sure the 3D design done on the time. NOOR HIDAYAH binti TAUFIK, the duty is to make sure the slide we want to present is clear and arranged. And me, NOOR ALIA'A binti Mohammed Zaki, my duty is to make sure the report is also done on the time and also clear and arranged. We create the duty to make sure all our group's member is know what to do and be responsible. Next, a product background. 5 types of kitchen knife. First, chef knife. Has a long broad blade with a straight edge. Second, utilities knife. Similar with chef knife but smaller and slimmer. Good for chopping smaller food and vegetables. Third, clavers. Have a flat rectangular shaped blade. Can cut through bone, making it the best knife for raw meat preparation. Fourth, paring knife. Has a short, slim, evenly sized with a pointed tips. Enough to carry out delicate tasks like peeling, trimming and removing seed from fruit and vegetable. Lastly, sontoku knife, meaning 3 uses. Cutting, dicing and mincing. Other sharp, straight edge and drop point tips of sontoku knife make them an effective tool for cutting fish. Next is process. We choose fuse deposition modeling (FDM). FDM the most widely used 3D printing technology. It represents the largest installed base of 3D printers globally, and it is often the first technology people are exposed to. Lastly, material. We choose PLA, polylactic acid. PLA is a biodegradable and bioactive polyester made up of lactic acid building blocks. The process by PLA made is also more environment friendly. In addition to using renewable raw material, emission of greenhouse gases during production is also lower. Should material made from PLA be incinerated, no toxic fumes will be generated.
Hi, I am Noor Hidayah binti Muhammad Taufik. I will explain about the design statement of our product. So in design statement, we have potential design features, product features, and also product benefit. Design features are important to produce the product because each of product will meet customer specification and requirement. To keep the knife handy and in good condition, user need to organize and store them properly because having the knife thrown into a drawer with other material items can dull and damage the blades over time. It also will increase the risk of injury. For the product features, our product is compact and lightweight design. It is simple and modern design which can match any of user existing cutlery. Our product is universal and easy to clean. It is easy to store since all the tools can be safely and easily stored in the universal knife holder rather than wooden holder. For the product benefit, our product will make it easy for users such as chef and housewife to reach for the knife when users need them. Our knife holder helps organize users' kitchen and store users' sharp tools carefully. Next is the objective of the project. Our objective is to organize the knife while saving drawer space in the kitchen. Second is to keep the knife in a protected space to reduce the risk of injury. The third one is to create a visual model such as knife holder to enhance the learning experience of the 3D printing. 3D printing is an effective way to enrich learning individually. Thank you.
Hi, I would like to present about design development based on design workbook. We have 7 elements in the design workbook. For the phase 00, we have identify opportunities. We have 5 elements. Who is the target audience of this product? What is the goal of the design? What type of AM system? What type of product category should be pursued? What will be the initial target cost to produce a single component of the product? So for our product, we have a primary target and secondary target. For the primary target, we have all household goods. For the secondary target, office and online selling. Our goal for this product is to achieve user satisfaction on a product, to improve safety and ease use to customer, to increase product appearance such as color, size, and shape. We use desktop printer FDM metal extrusion. And for the cost of material, we have RM60 ringgit for 1 kg. So for phase 01, key value components. Our design challenge, we have 2, which is which type of value you concern and which type of product value should be designer be aiming to provide. Okay, for the first one, we have functional value and unit value. For the second one, we have functional value and quality value for our product. Next, I would like to share about phase 02, concept generation. So, for the concept generation, we have functional value, unit value, sensory value, and personal expressive value. For our product, we have functional value, which is ergonomic shape, rounded edging, body shape, weight reduction, hollow structure, variable wall. For the second question, we have fit to measure form, consolidated part, size variation. And our product also have a surface finishing, soft finishing, beautiful material, plated finish, attractive color, which is color combination for unisex, which is red. So for our personal expressive value is applying favorite color. So for the phase 03 and phase 04, which is phase 03 is concept requirement and phase 04 is concept selection, we have concluded that we have functional value, unit value, and sensory value. Question 2. Does the design integrate all the aspects of the form, fit, and function? Yes. The form simplify geometry, positional curvature, tensional, visual quality look, touching, ergonomic, fit, and measurement, dimension, size, space also have included in our product. For the physical concept selection, we have 6 elements. We use fuse deposition modeling, FDM, and number 2 is do the design features help to achieve product usefulness according to user need? Yes, the design has compact with 1 cutting board. So we have material, color, and design. So for the question 6, are there any other key aspects relevant at company practice that need to be considered? Yes. We have 5 and phase 06 is detailed design. For our detailed design is for our product is a model functional, design features, dimension tolerance, surface finishing. For the number 2 has product assembly. We have 2D drawing, sketching, and 3D model in SolidWorks. So for the question number 3 is we have a part material, safety factor, measurement, error, durability, and roughness in our product. We have error in our product, and for the question 4, has the estimate cost for the design been determined? Yes, variable cost. And for the phase 06 is prototyping. Prototyping also have 5, which is we will be used for our product is PLA and wood. The 3D modeling of the knife holder was made using AM, which is SolidWorks, and CAD software. So our product is easy to store, compact, lightweight, safety hold for knife or universal hold knife or any shape and size. And we have smooth appearance, good brightness, and easy to clean. And we also have for cutting board. Okay, for the last one is 307, design ready. Design ready have you prepared the part so that it's suitable for AM system. Have you checked the validity of the model so that it's suitable for AM system? Yes, we have 3D model was converted to a special file format which is STL to flash print. So we have to create a flash print and we have to put the value to flash print because we cannot print as well and we just use it. So that's all. Thank you.
This is our final design or CAD designs. Before we sketch 3D model into the SolidWorks, we have been sketched the model in the paper with full dimensions. As you can see here, this is isometric view, front view, top view, and back view. So first, at the SolidWorks, we draw the base and we extrude at the 10 mm. Then after that, we added the knife holder, 5 knife holder, as you can see here, 2 at the front, 2 at the between, and 1 at the back. So this is front view. As you can see here, at the back view, we have been added the cutting board rack, and at our designs, at our design models, we have been at the honeycomb as aesthetic value. So after we do the final design of CAD, then we can import into the 3D printing flash print software. Okay, next, this is our flash print analysis, which is 3D printer using flash print software. Before we want to load the model into the flash print, we need to save as the file of SolidWorks into the STL file. So as we can see here, this is our model after I've been loaded into the flash print, and we can set the rotations of x-axis, y-axis, z-axis into the inside the box. So at the scale, I've been set the scale into the maximum, so the model is fixed inside the box. At the extruder, I've been choose the right extruder. So this is support. As we can see here, at our model, we have honeycomb design at in front and at the back. So at the support options, I've been choose the 3 light, and the post diameter is 2 mm, base diameter is 4 mm, and the base height is 6 mm. So after we set the options, we can click OK, then the support will generate and will appear like this. Okay. So at the print parameter, we choose the material of PLA, and material left is PLA. We have been set this boards into PLA, and at the resolutions, we choose standard. And this here, at the options, we have been set the layer head as 0.18 mm, and the first layer head is 0.227 mm. And at the infill density, I've been choose 30%, and the fill patterns is hexagon. So after we've been set all the information of print parameter, we can click OK. Then the result will show up, and we can see here the estimated print times is 28 hours and 41 minutes. The estimated material height is 78.25 meter, and the layer, as we can see here, is 833 layers. We can click at here wet estimation. So at the material density, we can see here the result of material density, and the estimated weight is 233.38 gram. So this is the pattern of the hexagon of field density. If we drag the layer down like this, then we can see the pattern. So just that our result of flash field analysis. Thank you.
As a conclusion, we choose the knife holder rack because it often used as a kitchenware. By storing the knife in a knife holder, it will be more hygienic and can reduce the risk of injury. Last but not least, by completing this project, we also learn how to use FlashPrint software and AM system. That's all from our group. Thank you.